Hi, I'm Dr. Nisha. I'm the faculty at Classic Fitness Academy, Bangalore. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about what are the benefits of doing regular cardiorespiratory exercise, or what is also known as aerobic exercise. When we say aerobic exercise, it means that we're greatly depending on environmental oxygen while doing these activities. If you're going on a walk or a jog, if you're running, dancing, swimming or cycling, you would have definitely noticed that your breathing becomes very intense. Where is all this oxygen going? It's getting into your body to burn more fat. So we call this process as oxidation of fat because oxygen is helping us to do this. And like we all know, fat is a very densely packed with calories kind of nutrient. So when you're burning more fat, that means you're burning more calories in your body. That's one of the best parts of doing a cardio activity. In fact, this is one of the reasons why cardio exercise is most popularly practiced by people across the world. But here we must also note that other forms of exercise like weight training or flexibility training have their own benefits on the body. What cardio exercise can do, maybe this can't do, but what weight training, flexibility training, etc. can do, cardio exercise cannot do that on us. So regarding this, I have already briefed in my previous video on cross training. Please take a look at that. Due to the intense breathing, it makes it possible for our body to thoroughly exchange air in and out of the lungs. Now, what is the use of doing this? It greatly prevents us from having respiratory infections. Isn't this one of the most essential things today to stay immune to respiratory infections? Yeah, that is what cardio exercise also does to us. If you remember from school, there's something called mitochondria in our cells, or this is also called as powerhouse of the cell, which is responsible for your energy level. So with regular cardio exercise, what happens is that the number of mitochondria keeps multiplying in your body. Isn't that amazing? So more the mitochondria, more energy level this person can use. So this is exactly why a regular exerciser seems to be so energetic even at the end of a long working day. High blood pressure, heart attack, heart diseases, stroke, these are some of the leading causes for sudden deaths in today's world. Do you know where all this is starting from? It's mere accumulation of cholesterol in our arteries. Arteries are nothing but the pipes that carry blood inside your body. Also, of course, it is due to the lack of movement in our body. So what can we do to prevent these blockages in the arteries, or to prevent any heart-related, circulation-related complications later in life? It's very simple. We just have to put on our shoes and get some cardio done regularly, starting right at the earlier years. Now coming to my favorite effect of cardio exercise. What do we do if our regular route is jam-packed with traffic? We generally find an alternative route to reach our destination, right? The same way even in your body, when there's a blockage due to cholesterol deposition or a clot or anything, our body tries to find an alternative pathway for blood flow. This way, heart attack, stroke or any other circulatory complications can be greatly avoided. What regular cardio exercise does is that it creates more capillaries or gives out more branches of arteries, thereby helping in rich blood supply to all parts of our body. Good blood circulation in the body is the key to prevent many lifestyle diseases, muscle pains, muscle cramps, hormonal imbalances, organ-related diseases, and much more. Doing regular cardio exercise also releases endorphins, or what we call as feel-good hormones in our body. What this does is it greatly relieves us of the stress that our lifestyle is inevitably causing on us. It also helps in preventing depression-like symptoms. So friends, do we still need some reason not to get moving from that comfortable couch? Having said that, I strongly recommend you to take help of an educated trainer to make the right choice of cardio exercise for your body according to your fitness level, your muscular strength, based on your joint conditions, your joint stability, your core strength, and any underlying health conditions. Remember that a wrong choice of cardio exercise can lead to many musculoskeletal injuries. So go find your fitness trainer right away.